Are you having fun?
I'm just trying.
Yeah? Alright, so tell me what you're doing here.
With me?
Yeah.
I'm stirring the onions and tomatoes.
Stirring the onions and tomatoes. A very worthy job, thank you. How you doing? You're still here.
Yeah.
You're still here.
I'll be here at about 4 o'clock.
4 o'clock. Woohoo! Is that Miss Lynn over there? Alright. Getting some cleanup here, yeah?
No.
What's that?
I said, don't you get me pictures?
This is a recording.
Okay, what time?
Hey man, you got any more? Okay, I need to work on this meat a little bit.
Y'all are still here, I see.
We're glad you joined us.
I'm going to be working here in just a second, I promise.
That was a good thing you did this morning, though. Looked good. So that's what?
We're sporting the green Bethany t-shirts here.
Right.
We have to see. So now we're like Three Stooges, right?
Oh, the Three Musketeers.
No, we're fine. Woo! So now what are we doing? We're deboning the meat, right?
Looking for fat.
Looking for fat, pulling all that nasty out, right? Very nice. Smile, you're on candid camera.